Barrett, Engineering Manager at CorkSport Miles Performance. I'm happy to announce the CorkSport Performance 13-inch Big Brake Kit for the 2019 and newer Mazda 3 and CX-30. In our quest to create the hot hatch that Mazda won't give us, we're pushing ourselves to develop the performance parts that will help you take your Mazda 3 to hot hatch territory. In our opinion, a performance car needs to be both powerful but equally capable of stopping that power. With that being said, the Mazda 3 leaves a lot to be desired in the braking department. Enter the CorkSport Big Brake Kit. But why would you want this for your Mazda 3 or CX-30? There are two ways to look at upgraded brakes. First is the performance side. Brakes convert forward and therefore rotational energy of the rotor into heat. The harder you apply the brakes, the more heat you generate trying to stop the vehicle. Eventually the brakes overheat and then you experience brake fade or even worse, brake failure. Unfortunately, the stock brakes reach this limit pretty quickly. Sure, you could wait for upgraded rotors or performance pads, and those will help out a bit, but we found that the overall brake system on the front of your Mazda just really isn't designed for performance. That's why we pursued the path of a complete big brake kit that replaces everything. Second is safety. That may come at a surprise, but think about it. With stronger, more capable brakes, you're able to stop quicker and with more control. Imagine having the whole family in the car when suddenly the car in front of you hits its brakes. You want to stop as quickly as possible, right? And with all the added weight in the vehicle, I'll take all the help I can get in a situation like that. But what does the CorkSport Big Brake Kit include? Well, everything you need for installation. This includes new calipers in your choice of black, red, blue, titanium, with brake pads, two-piece rotors, stainless steel brake lines, and all the necessary installation hardware. Now let's talk design details. The CorkSport calipers are manufactured from forged aluminum. This helps reduce weight while maintaining strength, and they feature a 4-piston design utilizing stainless steel pistons versus the standard aluminum pistons that many other kits use. This is important for a very simple and critical reason: heat transfer. Stainless steel has a lower heat transfer coefficient versus aluminum. This means less heat gets transferred from your brake rotors and pads into your brake fluid. This reduces the chance of boiling your brake fluid and thus brake fade. Stainless steel costs more, but the cost is well worth the improved performance. Now let's look at the rotors. If you haven't noticed already, the rotors are drastically bigger than OEM. How much bigger? The CorkSport 2-piece rotor measures in at 13-inch diameter and a 1.1-inch thickness. The turbo model Mazda 3 measures in at 11.6-inch diameter and 0.98-inch thickness. And lastly, the non-turbo models with 11-inch diameter and the same 0.98-inch thickness. That's a 12% larger rotor for the turbo models and an 18% larger rotor for the non-turbo models. When referring to brake systems, this is a huge performance increase. The larger diameter provides the brake system more leverage to slow the vehicle, and the overall larger diameter and thicker rotor provide more mass for the heat to dissipate through. This allows your brakes to handle more abuse for a longer period of time before fading. Wrapping up the rotors, you'll notice that the rotors have slots machined into the faces. These slots help remove gases and debris from the rotor face so that you have optimal brake pad adhesion at all times. Inside the rotor rings are directional cooling vanes versus the standard straight vanes. This improves the cooling performance of the rotor. Lastly, the rotors use a 2-piece design with a ductile iron ring and a lightweight aluminum center hat. So speaking of weight, what's the difference? Comparing the CorkSport kit to the OEM brakes, you might think the CS kit weighs more because it is so much larger, but the truth is it doesn't. Comparing to the turbo model OEM brakes, the weight difference is basically zero. So you can have your cake and eat it too. So if the goals of your Mazda 3 are low in show, then this kit is going to look fantastic wrapped in your choice of wheels. Or maybe you're a track rat and plan to push the kit to its limits. We love either path, but if you do plan to track the kit, we recommend investing in some track-specific brake pads. While the pads that are included are much better than OEM, they are designed for the spirited street driving, not hardcore track use. But don't worry, the CorkSport caliper uses an industry-standard brake pad design, so you can find nearly any compound from most major manufacturers. All right, let's wrap this up. For our big brake kits, we have DIY cutout templates you can use to verify your wheels before the install process. We highly recommend doing this check before you start the install. We don't want you to end up stuck waiting on wheel spacers. If you're still rocking stock wheels, then you will need a spacer. Around 15 millimeters is a good starting point, but again, please check with the cutout tool. Like every CorkSport product, we provide color step-by-step install instructions and technical support with our CorkSport team here at CSHQ. You can reach us by email, phone, and social. If you're still pumping the brakes on our brakes, then give us a call and let us help you answer those questions. We would love to help. So thanks for checking out the CorkSport Big Brake Kit for the 4th generation Mazda 3 and CX-30. This is Barrett, tuning out.